Yes, my people. Today are the 14, September 14. All right. Yesterday the 13. Yesterday make 1 year since me been in an accident. I make 2 videos on this before. Can check it out. Check out them video there. So yes, 1 year. 1 year. I still not get $1 yet for my insurance. I mean for me if I fix my car. Still not get $1. Can you imagine that? You have one car and somebody come mash up a car and you're still waiting. You're still waiting for a year. 1 year and you're still waiting. So I want me not to do this next year again saying, yo, I'm still waiting 2 years. Still waiting. The police they tell me, say it'll take a while, Ask them how long and say it'll take years. And they say years. So we gone 1 year already. So can you imagine you, as I said before, you have one car and you need to get to work. Suppose you're a suit and tie wearing person. Now you have to go jump in a taxi in a suit and tie. If you go work, I'll go buy another car. You see? And you pay insurance. So why you paying insurance if you have to go jump in a taxi and buy another car? When other countries you get the money within a month, you get the money, you get a check to go fix a car. Within a month. But Jamaica will make you wait years to get a car fixed. So I don't like to hear somebody justify it and tell me. If you can't justify this and tell me why may I wait 1 year, please, my bigger, say something down in the comment section. Come on, hear it. Come on, I really want to understand why it take 1 year and them collect money every month, every 6 months, and once a year. I pay by the year. And, is not my insurance company supposed to pay this money to me. It's the person that hit my car. Insurance company is supposed to pay the money. So every time I go on my insurance company, them have to make a phone call to that insurance company. I don't know why. Find out what going on and all them something there. So me have to wait 1 year. I mean, me just can't understand it. Why you have to wait 1 year to get a car fixed. So you can't have to just sit down somewhere while you're waiting on this money. So you can't carry to the shop. So this is just an update from my other video. Because yesterday 1 year, so I just really want to say something about it. I make it short. But 1 year, like I said, car still not get a check to fix my car. The estimate to fix my car by going to all the pay at 600,000. 600,000, I guess. Them don't want to come up with that. So, I wait a year. So, but as I say, I always say in my video, be blessed. And listen, subscribe, because I always talk about these things, Whatever I go through, I just share it with the people. And if you get in an accident, make sure you got your insurance company and tell them to stop your insurance. Because if you don't, they might make you keep running, until the expiration date. So make sure you tell them to stop it. Because in my case, I never know my one keep running. And when I go to the lady, say, me should I know that. She not have to tell me, and me should I know that. You see how Jamaica run? She a the professional, and she is supposed to, when me sit down there, she should say, sir, alright, like when you been in an accident, your car, is the car driving? No, it's not driving. Alright, listen, you want us to stop the insurance? That's how it's supposed to go down. Because me I know, if somebody tell me on the road to go up, they go stop it, I wouldn't know. So, that's just something. So, I want to share and subscribe, and listen, I'm not depend this for the YouTube money. Tell the truth, I don't care nothing about that. I just depend if you communicate and share my experience. And when I jump off of this insurance, I jump on another one and talk about the gun licensing place, FLA. Yeah, I make a short look one about that, so you can check that out too. So just subscribe and share and let's communicate. All right, be blessed.